Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, we will be talking about multiple identical options in switch statement. If the break statement is omitted from switch statement's case, the following case statements are executed until a break is encountered. If you have multiple inputs with the same output, you can represent them in a switch statement like this. So here we have an example. Here we have a variable result which is empty. Then we have the switch statement val, and for case 1, 2 and 3 the result is 1, 2 or 3, and we have a break. Then we have case 4 which is 4 alone. So in this case, if we are putting a value of 1, 2 or 3, we will get the same result, which is 1, 2 or 3, and in the case of case 4 we'll get 4 alone. So in this case we need to write a switch statement to set answer for the following ranges. If it is 1 to 3, we need to have it low, 4 to 6 it is mid, and 7 to 9 it is high. You will need to add a case statement for each number in this case. Okay, so let's get started. So here we have a function sequential sizes. This is our parameter val, and we have a variable here which is empty. Then let us write the switch statement first. Switch, then inside that we have val. I guess I don't need that. Yeah, we need that. So in case 1, case also case 1, case 2, case 3, we have answer equals low. Then we should put the break statement, or else it will be continuing like that. Then for case 4, case 5, case 6, we have answer equals mid, and for case 7, case 8, case 9, we have answer equal to high. Then we should put the break statement here. Okay, so we have everything. Now let's just console.log sequential sizes 8. We are getting high. Then if we are putting a value of 6, we are getting high again. Why? We should have got mid. So we have forgot to put break statement here, so we just need to put the break statement. So we are getting mid. So I think all the cases are passed. I think let us run the test. Yes, we have passed the test. Let us see in the next challenge.